In this exclusive interview for OracleOnline.org, civil rights attorney and Omega brother Benjamin Crump discusses his path to Omega, his current cases, and how the principles he learned within Omega helped to shape his purpose and mission, which is to find justice for those often denied. This interview was filmed live on location at Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated 73rd Annual 12th District Meeting. Hey, how's everybody doing? My name is Hanif Satterfield with OracleOnline.org and Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated. I'm here with brother Ben Crump. How you doing today?
I'm doing good, brother. Man.
Hey, I'm doing all right. Could you give everybody a synopsis of how you ended up becoming an Omega, where you're from, what campus and whatnot?
Certainly. I'm attorney Benjamin Crump. I'm a national known civil rights attorney, represented a lot of cases that you may be familiar with. The family of Trayvon Martin, the family of Michael Brown in Ferguson, Missouri, currently representing Stephon Clark and Shakisha Clemens, who was just brutally arrested by 3 white police officers, body slammed, assaulted, choked. And so we're staging a boycott of Waffle House, saying that if you won't respect our women, don't expect our dollars. And a lot of my pedigree for this activism actually stems from Omega. Because I was initiated in the Chi Theta chapter at Florida State University in the spring of 1988. I was president of the Black Student Union, and I was very involved in that. Led to me continuing to stay involved after I graduated from college. And it's kind of deep because everything I am, a lot of who I am and what I do comes from Omega. I pledged, but also before I pledged, my dad was an Omega. I had cousins who are Omegas, and they really cared about us little young jits and took us under their wings. So by the time I got to college at Florida State, I knew what I was going to pledge. There was no other question in my mind. I was going to be a son of blood and thunder. When I'm in courtrooms all across America fighting for little black and brown people, for them to get due process of the law and for them to get equal justice, and the only thing black in the courtroom is me, my client, in the judge's robe, I have to remember poems like Invictus. I have to remember poems like See It Through. I have to remember poems like If. I have to remember poems like Bridge Builder. I have to remember poems like Mother to Son. You know, and so all the time I'm in here fighting these terrible injustices. In my mind, I'm just like I'm pledging again. I'm online and I'm reciting the poems in my mind. When you're up against a trouble, meet it squarely face to face. You know, all those things. I'm the master of my fate. I'm the captain of my soul. You know, and you just keep using what Omega gave you to try to make a difference in this world, to make it a better world for our children. Because that's really what it's about. Standing up for our children, speaking up for our children, and fighting for our children. Because if we don't fight for them, we can't expect nobody else to fight for them. So that's what Omega does for me every day, in and out of courtrooms in America.
This has been a presentation of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated and OracleOnline.org.